how to deactivate your TikTok account. First of all, head over to your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to deactivate. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the three line at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Moving to Account at the very top. The option of Deactivate or Delete account will be visible to you. Head over to it. As we're looking for on how to deactivate your TikTok account, head over to Deactivate Account. Tap on Deactivate at the bottom. For the confirmation, enter the password of your TikTok account. Once you have entered your password, tap on Deactivate Account and your account will be deactivated successfully. Once you deactivate your account, you can relog into your account and reactivate your account anytime you want to. All you want to do is enter the username and the password of your TikTok account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to deactivate your TikTok account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.